In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a 44-period moving average on TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting to dip your toes into trading, understanding how to customize your indicators can significantly enhance your trading strategy. Today, we'll break down the process of setting a 44-period moving average in a way that's simple and straightforward. To begin with, the first thing you'll want to do is open your chart on TradingView. TradingView provides a powerful platform for viewing and analyzing market data. And once you've got your chart open, you're ready to add some indicators to aid your analysis. Next up, direct your attention to the top toolbar, where you'll see a button labeled Indicators. Click on this button, which will open up a search bar and a list of available indicators. In that search bar, type in Moving Average. You'll need to select the built-in Simple Moving Average, commonly referred to as SMA, from the options that appear. After you've selected the Simple Moving Average, you'll notice it appears on your chart with a default setting, often with a length set to 9. This setting is visible in the label on your chart. To modify this, look for a small gear icon, which represents the settings, located right next to the SMA label. Clicking on this icon will open a new window where you can adjust the indicator to your preferred settings. Within the Settings window, stay under the Inputs tab. Here, you'll be adjusting the length field. You'll want to change this number to 44. Essentially, what this does is set the moving average to calculate its data based on the past 44 points on your chart, providing a smoother overview of price trends over a longer period. Make sure that the source is set to close, as this uses the closing prices of each period for its calculations, which is a standard and reliable setting for analysis. Also, ensure the time frame is set to Same as Chart to keep everything consistent with the current view of your chart. Then, if you desire to make your chart more visually intuitive, you can switch to the Style tab. Here you have options to select your desired color and line thickness for the moving average. Choosing a distinct color and the right line thickness can help your 44-period SMA stand out against other indicators or chart elements, making it easier to interpret at a glance. Once you've made these selections, click OK to apply the changes. Your chart will now display a 44-period simple moving average, and you'll be all set to integrate this into your trading insights. By learning to adjust and customize your indicators in TradingView, you take one step closer to making informed and impactful trading decisions. Happy trading!